Hello and welcome back to HardReset.Info. In this video, I will show you how to improve gaming performance on TCL Phone. Let's begin. So, just for disclosure, the TCL model I am using right now is TCL 605, so maybe on the future versions these things may change. But for what it has right now, there is technically no way to directly improve gaming performance. Usually some phones have some sort of game booster setting that will, for example, shut down every single application except your games. But unfortunately this doesn't. If you would go to advanced features, we do not have any kind of game booster. The only thing that is kinda remotely close to it is the thing you can see at the top, which is called NX Turbo and RAM expansion. And if you would go to settings, you will see that this NX Turbo is something that technically works in the background. I guess whatever. And the second option is to simply enable our RAM expansion. So in the end, we just simply have more RAM, and it's always good for games to have more RAM, you know. So yeah, and I guess other point of your games running smooth. I mean, it technically only will give you the illusion of of running smooth, but you could potentially go to the display, scroll all the way down and go to refresh rate and switch from smart refresh to 19 Hz refresh, because maybe then your games will technically run smoother. I guess your battery will die, but who cares? And lastly, in order to just improve overall gaming experience, I would simply advise you to, whenever you activate any kind of game, these games are pretty bad, but it doesn't really matter. Let's say this is the game. Oh my god. This, never mind. Let's say that this is some like super high-end game, so just to simply improve your gaming performance, I would advise you to leave it and make sure that everything else, except the game, but everything else is disabled, so only the game itself can actually access some sort of your CPU power and battery power and all of that. But yeah, that's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and as always, thanks for watching.